Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these pictures. If you want to know how to make it, keep watching the video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make my profile picture. The apps you're going to need is just PicsArt. That is the only one you're going to be needing, so yeah, let's get into it. So once you open up PicsArt, you're going to press the plus. And on the top where it says photos, you're just going to scroll over until you see your photo. And then if it's not on there, you just click all photos and you find it from your photos. Alright guys, so I found my photo. After you find your photo, you're going to go to cutout. And you're just going to kind of trace around the shape of like your head and your body. And then you're going to press the arrow. And it should do most of the work for you, but it's not going to do all of it. So I'm just going to put this part in fast motion until it goes fast. You're just going to trace the rest. Okay, so after you have traced your photo, you're going to click Save, and then you're going to click the back button, and you're going to click Discard, and then you're going to scroll down and go to Color Backgrounds and do white. You can do any color, but I think white looks the best, so I would do white. Then you're going to go to Sticker, and you're going to My Stickers, and you're going to add the sticker that you just traced. You're going to make it big like that, and then you're going to add border. Make it black, and then do it on like 1%, because you don't want to see it too much, you just want to see a tiny bit of it. Then you're going to click Effects, then you're going to go on Rainbow, then you're going to click Rainbow again, and then you're going to scroll over to Overlay. Then you're going to click Apply. After you do that, you're going to press Apply. Then you're going to go to Sticker again, and you're going to start. Then you're going to search up Splatter Paint, and you're going to find some that match your picture. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then you're going to do one last little one to add to your head, if you want to. And then after you do that, you're going to click Apply. Then you're going to go to Beautify. Then you're going to scroll over to Eye Color. Then, this part might take a little bit to get it like the way you want it to. I'm just going to do it real fast. But yeah, you can basically change the way your eye color is. So I'm going to put it in fast motion starting now. Okay, so I'm now done with my eyes. So yeah, now they're rainbow, and then you're gonna click apply. And then one last thing that I did to make my shirt a little more rainbow than it already is, even though it's kind of white, but it's kind of rainbow. I basically went on sticker, and I typed in rainbow, and I found one of the rainbows that I thought looked good. So I think I chose this one. And you're just kind of going to put it over your shirt. Then you're going to go on blend. And you're going to do, I'll find which one looks the best. I think overlay might look the best. It doesn't really do anything, but it helps your shirt a little bit, I guess. So that part's like kind of optional because it doesn't help your shirt the most. But yeah, that's basically how you make one of those photos. You're gonna click the arrow, save, save. And then I'll save your photos. And there you go. So that is how I made my profile pic. By the way, shout out to Taylor T because that's how I saw how to make these kind of photos. So yeah, go subscribe to her. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video just like this one. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!